Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how to list generic or non-branded products on Amazon. First of all, log in your Amazon seller account. Now click on catalog, then click on add products. Now click on I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. Please ignore this. Now search for your category. You can also select your category from this list, or you can simply search for your category like this. Now select appropriate option. For proper product listing, click on all attributes. So they are basically asking you about some details of your product. First of all, they are asking for variations. Does the product have any variation? Currently, this product do not have any variation. So I am going to choose no. Closure type, snap. Product ID. Click on I do not have a product ID. Title, name. Now write your title of your product. Leather wallet for men. Red. Brand name. Click on this product does not have a brand name. Manufacturer part name. Okay, write manufacturer part name. You can write anything according to your wish. Model name, same, you can write anything according to your wish. For example, I am going to write red wallet AB12. Outer material. Now they are asking for outer material of your product. Now they are asking for inner material. Style. Okay, this is casual. Okay, so I'm going to choose casual. Now they are asking gender. Appropriate gender for your product. Unit counts. Provide the number of units in the product. Okay, only one unit. Unit count type. So this is one piece. Okay, so one piece. Model name. Red genuine leather wallet. Size. Free size, because this is wallet. Size map, of course one size. Color red. Color map, of course red. Material type. Now again they are asking for material type. Now material fabric regulations. This is wallet, so bamboo, fur, wool not applicable for my product, so I will select not applicable. Product life cycle, supplier type, fashion. Item booking date. This is a very important. Suppose you are listing a product on Amazon on 27th of October, but you want orders for this product start coming from 1st of November. For this, you will select 1st November for item booking date. Basically, Amazon is asking seller that how much time they will need to start accepting orders for a particular product. Now they are asking for dimensions of your product. Okay. Please make sure all star fields are necessary. As I said earlier, this product does not have any variation offer. Seller SKU ID. Okay. Now your price, at what price you are willing to sell your product. List price. Quantity. Stock available for online sales. Okay, so I have 5 quantities for this product. Condition new, condition note nothing. Please make sure star fields are necessary. Country of origin India, HSN code, maximum retail price. Maximum retail price should be, I guess, 699 rupees. Now fulfillment channel, I will choose easy ship. Compliances, this product does not have any compliance. Okay, so I'm going to ignore this. Images. Now select images for your product. You can add up to 9 images. Right now I am adding only 1 image just to show you. Description. Please write your description briefly. I am writing short description just to show you. Gem leather wallet for men in red color. Bullet points. Okay. Write bullet points according to your product. For example, material, wait a minute, sorry, material genuine leather, color red, gender just like this. Now add keywords, search terms for your product. This is very important part of your listing. Please don't use commas. Now more details. If you want to fill some other details, you can, but these are not necessary. Only star fields are necessary. Only star fields are necessary. Okay. Now click on save and finish. Wait a minute. So you can see our listing is submitted successfully. Okay, and here is a notification. Your listing will reflect within 15 minutes to 24 hours, so don't worry. Okay, stay tuned for more Amazon seller videos. Thank you.